The humble sit-up. So the sit-up is one you'll often see at the gym, but it's typically a short range of motion exercise. We want to do a long range of motion in the sit-up. So to do so, you can use a Swiss ball or you can use a stool, which is what I'm going to use. You'll also need something to anchor your feet under, so I'm going to use this entertainment unit. But you're going to start yourself in this sitting position and then slowly roll your spine down. Your chin is going to be the last thing to unwind. So rolling down, and then at the end, chin opens. Then start with the chin tuck, roll yourself back up. So that's the sit-up. You can load it up a little bit by adding a weight to your chest. So it's exactly the same thing, rolling down, unwinding the chin at the end, chin beginning, and then up. More extreme overhead. So it's the same, rolling the spine. Last thing's the chin. First thing's the chin, and up we go. That's a whole lot harder, but that's the sit-up.